What's that?
This is the Insta360 X3.
And in this video, we're going to check out one of the coolest effects in ShotLab, the roll planet. So first of all, we're going to find a wide open space, and then we're going to attach the X3 onto a tripod. We're going to stand 2 meters away from the X3, and then we're going to walk or run around in a circle. Make sure you do at least 2 loops round. After that, we're going to stop recording and jump into the Insta360 app. Now, before we do that, if you want to do a roll planet with a wider angle, we can attach the X3 onto the Invisible Selfie Stick, attach that onto a tripod, and then fully extend the Invisible Selfie Stick. We're going to hit record. We're going to move 2 meters from the X3 and then run around in a circle. And again, make sure you do 2 loops so the AI has plenty to work with. Once you've done 2 loops, we're going to stop recording and jump into the Insta360 app. Once inside the app, we're going to tap Stories, and then we're going to scroll down to Roll Planet. We're going to tap that, and then we're going to tap Use this theme. Then we're going to select the clip we just recorded and tap Selected. And now that will track you and then do its thing. Once it's finished, it'll give you a preview. And if you're happy with that, we go up to the export symbol in the top right, tap that, choose phone album, and then tap export. And the end results look like this. And if you want to check out an X3 for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one at the best price with super fast delivery.
And if you buy using our link, you get the Invisible Selfie Stick for free.
Totally free.
Free!
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.